Maintaining a healthy colon is crucial for overall well-being, and your diet plays a significant role in colon health. Let's explore 5 powerful foods that can help keep your colon in top shape. 1. Fiber-rich whole grains. Whole grains like oats, brown rice, and quinoa are excellent sources of fiber, which is essential for colon health. Fiber helps cleanse the colon by promoting regular bowel movements and preventing constipation. Aim for 3 to 5 servings of whole grains per day to support your digestive system and reduce the risk of colon polyps. 2. Colorful fruits. Fruits like apples, berries, and oranges are packed with fiber, antioxidants, and phytochemicals that can reduce the risk of digestive issues in colon cancer. These nutrient-dense foods not only help regulate bowel movements but also provide essential vitamins and minerals for overall colon health. 3. Non-starchy vegetables. Vegetables such as broccoli, cauliflower, and leafy greens are powerhouses of nutrition for colon health. They're rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals that support digestive function. Aim to fill 2/3 of your dinner plate with these healthy veggies to maximize their colon protective benefits. 4. Omega-3 rich fish. Fish like salmon, sardines, and mackerel are high in omega-3 fatty acids, which have potent anti-inflammatory properties. By reducing inflammation in the body, these healthy fats can help decrease the risk of colon cancer and support overall colon health. 5. Beans and legumes. Beans and lentils are excellent sources of both soluble and insoluble fiber, making them ideal for colon health. They can help reduce the risk of colon cancer while also providing essential nutrients like protein and B vitamins. Additionally, the high fiber content in legumes promotes a healthy gut microbiome. By incorporating these 5 foods into your diet, you're not just eating for taste, you're actively supporting your colon health and reducing your risk of colorectal issues. Remember to increase your fiber intake gradually and drink plenty of water to maximize the benefits of these colon-friendly foods.